Hi folks, it's the Lazy Gardener, Ori Tangen here. Welcome back to another episode of Lazy Gardening. Hi, Ori Tangen here, the Lazy Gardener. Sal is back to do a video with me about, this will be our third video, and here is the winter garden, basically. So, the first video was shot in June, showed a lot of green coming out, and how to apply mulch onto your garden to trap in moisture, block out weed growth, and to just reapply matter that'll decompose for nutrients in the future, basically. So, as you can see, we've been continually raking the yard, especially during as the pandemic rages on here. It's December 13th, 2020, so when we're not working, we're out here, you know, raking leaves, you know, reapplying organic matter to the garden, as you can see. So we've kind of expanded it out this way. If you come this way, you'll remember this part. We got some old eggplant matter here. I usually don't pull things until spring. I let them stay in the ground until spring. That way their roots will decompose more, and then they're just easy to just pop right out of the ground. But yeah, these two buildings here are the newest thing, newest additions to the farm. I was able to help out at a farm that had greenhouses where they have to reapply new plastic every few years. So I was able to get some free plastic. So I put together an A-frame using wood that was from different buildings out here that are falling apart that we're just going to reuse just to make a cheap structure that'll collect passive sunlight during the day to help keep the chickens warm. And then I made this for the ducks. It's just kind of a box. It was a box-like structure that didn't have any walls, so I just added some plastic for the ducks because the ducks and the chickens have been fighting a bit recently, so I thought it better not to put everybody in there together and for fighting purposes to keep them separate. So, so I put these together. Today is going to get pretty cold finally. It's been a very mild fall, and so